Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 23, 2022, two-star Sudoku. Third row, we have 4 to 7. The three numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in another three cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, we will already have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then third row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column H, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second grade and 8th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column G, second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E and fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th grade, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 8th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then first grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column D, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then second row, three numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 5th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 8th grade, three numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. 8th row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C, 9th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column D, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 2. 6th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column B, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 6th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column D, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 8th row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Column H also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 6. Column H we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column H, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Second row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 5. 7th row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column J, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column I, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.